Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make Yipee Tricolor Pasta. It's a very delicious recipe, very easy to make. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Today I have a pack of Yipee Tricolor Pasta. You have a taste maker inside. Empty the pack along with the taste maker. Add 2 cups of water and mix it well and make sure no lumps are formed. Now turn on the flame and maintain a medium heat throughout. Mix now and then to make sure no lumps are formed. Now it's nicely boiling. Continue to mix now and then. Now the water has started to reduce and it's becoming thick, so mix well continuously. Now we have the perfect consistency, so off the flame and a delicious Yipee Tricolor Pasta is now ready. Serve it hot and enjoy with your family and friends. Very delicious, easy and an instant recipe. So do try this Yipee Tricolor Pasta recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.